Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Grade 1 Math. Today's lesson is going to be about tally charts. Tally charts probably a chart that you've seen a lot, that you've seen people use, and maybe you yourself use them. This lesson, we're just going to expand our knowledge about the different ways we can use them and how we can analyze them. Okay? First off, what is a tally chart? A tally chart will show a mark for each vote. Now, I've used, the straight down mark, just a line, but it could be anything. It could be, let's say, a heart. It could be some dots, it could be some squares, okay? So, tally means the style, the format of the data that is presented. It does not necessarily mean that you have to, just use these. Okay? Let me just erase these very quickly so we can move on. Okay, what are we dealing with here? What are the different categories? We have triangle, circles, and heart. Okay? Those are our three shapes. How many do we have? How many votes, for triangle? We have 15, okay? Because every time you see this sort of sign or symbol, it means 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus another 5, that is 15. Okay, so don't be mistaken. Next up, how many votes do we have for circle? We have, very easily, 2. Now, what about heart shape? We have 8. And remember, we've seen this symbol before with a triangle. So this is 5. 5 plus 3 more is 8, okay? Like we did with the picture graph, let's use the tally chart to analyze our data, okay? We have, what are our categories? What are we dealing with here? We have a beach ball, a sand bucket, and a floaty, okay? Beach ball, sand bucket, and floaty. Now, let's count how many votes we have for each one first, using the knowledge that I've told you on the previous slides over here. How many votes do we have for the beach ball? Well, from what I've told you previously, right? This symbol is 5. It is 5. And we have 3 more. What is 5 plus 3? What do you think? 5 plus 3. Well, if you've been watching my old lessons on addition and subtraction and counting, 5 plus 3 is 8. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 3 more. 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. Now this one's very simple. How many votes did we get for the sandcastle? How many votes do you think we got? We have 5. Okay. No need for addition. Lastly, for the floaty, how many votes do we get? 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got 4, okay? 8 for the beach ball, 5 for the sand bucket, and 4 for the floaty. Now, to our questions. Which object is light the most? So the most means number 1, okay? Most means number 1, and we're dealing with light the most. Which object did people choose more? You can look at the numbers 4, 5, 8. So like the most means most people like it very, very much. So which number is bigger? 8. Obviously, 8 is bigger. With this question, the answer is the beach ball. Which object is like the least? We're dealing with the least, all right? Least mean they don't like it. It's the opposite of liked the most. So which one do people like the most? We're looking for a smaller number. It is 4. People don't really like the floaty that much compared to the beach ball. All right, let's move on. How many people choose the floaty? How many people choose the floaty, do you think? Well, only 4 people chose the floaty. I'm going to write here 4. Do more people like the beach ball or the sand bucket? What do you think? Do more people like the beach ball or the sand bucket? We're comparing this object to this object and see which one has more votes. What do you think? 8 for the beach ball and 5 for the sand bucket. Which one has more votes out of the 2? Obviously, it is the beach ball. People like the beach ball the most, and they also like the beach ball more than the sand bucket and the floaty. All right. Now, that's it for tally charts. I do hope that you understand and you learned something new today. Next topic is going to be about bar graphs. Very similar to tally charts and picture graphs. They help you identify, data more easily, but bar graphs, we're dealing with bars very simply. Okay, so thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow, and have a wonderful day.